Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn off your iPhone's passcode. So at first, just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll a bit and click on Face ID and passcode. You need to give your passcode now. Just give your passcode. Now again, scroll a bit here. And here you can see turn passcode off. Click on it. You need to give your passcode again. And after giving your passcode, here you can see your passcode is off. So guys, that's how you can turn off passcode on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.